Do you want to make your Moto G85 5G look more dynamic? In this video, I will show you how to set a live wallpaper on both the lock screen and home screen of your Motorola Moto G85 5G. So let's get started. First of all, open Settings. After that, tap on Personalize option from here. Then tap on the Wallpaper section. After that, tap on Dynamic. Now here you will see all the available live wallpapers which are not downloaded. Just tap to download the wallpaper you want to set on your home and lock screen. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. Once it's downloaded, simply tap on the wallpaper to apply it. Then tap on Set Wallpaper. Now choose whether you want to apply it to the home screen only or both home and lock screens. So here I will apply it to both the home and lock screens. So I will select the home screen and lock screen option. Now the live wallpaper has been successfully applied to both the home and lock screens on your Motorola Moto G85 5G mobile. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like.